Is your phone speaker sounding muffled or blocked? This TikTok trick might be the easiest fix ever. No tools needed, just sound. There's a trending on TikTok, where creators are using a high-frequency sound, usually around 22,000 Hz, to vibrate and push out water or dust from their speakers with ease, without any hustle. Welcome to Highly Practical's YouTube channel, where tech tutorials are uploaded to help you know simple tech tips at your fingertips. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so. If today is your first time coming across this video, comment and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into a viral method that can be used to clean your speaker using a simple sound frequency. Let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Then tap on the search button and search for speaker cleaner in the search bar. And tap on it. Now click on this option, which is the speaker cleaner sound water and dust. Now raise the volume of your phone to the highest level and watch the video from beginning to the end. After doing this, any dirt or water blocking the speaker of the phone will come out. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified on newly uploaded videos. Thanks for watching this video.